Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for kindergarten student worksheet activity. Vowels. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. The rest of the letters are called consonants. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. The rest of the letters are consonants. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. This is small letters alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. The 5 letters are called vowels. The 5 letters are called vowels. The rest of the letters are consonants. The rest of the letters are consonants. A, E, I, O, U, vowels. The rest of the letters are consonants. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.